This tutorial review will show you how to make end screen template videos on mobile using CapCut. Open your CapCut and create a new project. I'm going to selecting my video and tapping on ratio, selecting the YouTube because I'm going to make these end screen video for YouTube, and then tapping on canvas, background, and I'm selecting a background for this template. And now I'm going to selecting the clip video footage and making it a little bit bigger, and now I'm going to tapping on cutout, remove background, and it's time to add a text here. Selecting text tool, add text, and I'm gonna writing here, watch these videos, and selecting a text style from here, going to effect, selecting this effect style and resizing the text from here. And I'm going to add arrow, basically arrow emoji here, so I'm going to tapping on stickers and selecting arrow from here, maybe this one, and rotating the arrow. So that's how we can make end screen template videos on mobile. And make sure to make the text equal to the video, text and sticker equal to the video. And here is the result. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.